Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Statistics tutorial. In this video we are going to discuss semester 4 statistics important questions. Statistical inference Sem 4 Unit 1. In Unit 1 you are having 7 questions. First one, define null hypothesis, alternative hypothesis, critical region, level of significance, randomized test, non-randomized test, type 1 error, type 2 error, one tail test, two tail test, most powerful test. So this question you can expect for short answers. While writing any of the definition, you have to write an example for each definition so that you'll get full marks. And here type 1 and type 2 error, they may ask you like explain the types of errors. Then you can write this two types of errors, or else directly they'll give you define type 1 and type 2 error, define one tail test and two tail test. Like that they may ask you for short answers. Next, problems on type 1, type 2 errors and power of test. From these definitions only they'll ask the problems also, definition based problems. So this you can expect for long answer. From here long answer starts at 2 to 7. Second question to 7th question. State and prove Neyman's Pearson lemma. This is also long answer. This is a theorem. And theorem based 4 applications are there. Neyman Pearson's lemma in case of binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, exponential distribution and normal distribution. So from this 7 you are going to get, from this 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From this 6 questions you are going to get definitely 2 long answers. And from first question you are going to get short answer. And don't forget to write examples for short answers. That is about Unit 1. Let's go to Unit 2. Unit 2. Describe large samples test procedure for single mean, single proportion. These 2 answers you can expect for short answer, 4 marks. Next, explain large samples test procedure for difference of mean, difference of proportions, difference of standard deviation. From these 3, any one you will get for long answer. Sometimes along with these methods they may ask you problems related to these 3 methods only. And difference of mean can be asked in another way, like equality of mean. Explain the large samples test procedure for equality of means, or equality of proportions, or equality of standard deviation. So equality or differences, same question only you can write. Next, define Fisher-Z transformation, define order statistics and statements of the distribution. So these 2 questions you'll get for short answers only. Next, you have the applications of Fisher-Z transformation. If it is for short answer, then just write the statements and leave it. Write the definition of Fisher-Z transformation and then write the 2 applications whatever you have in Fisher-Z transformation. Next, otherwise if it is for long answer, along with the statement write the proofs also. That is Fisher-Z transformation. Overall, second question is very important for long answer. Second and fifth one you may expect for long answer. First, third and fourth you will get for short answers. Unit 3, chi-square test for goodness of fit, population variance. So in chi-square you are having 4 questions. First one, chi-square test for goodness of fit, chi-square test for population variance. Next, chi-square test for independence of attributes. You are having 2 cross 2 attributes and 2 cross k also. For a 2 cross 2 contingency table, prove that chi-square equal to n into ad minus bc whole square divided by a plus b into a plus c, b plus d into c plus d, where n equal to a plus b plus c plus d. So in chi-square distributions you are having only these 4 questions. Out of these 4 questions, first one, goodness of fit, and this third one comes for long answer. And population variance, chi-square test for population variance and independence of attributes you can expect for short answer. Next, we are having the t-test. T-test based we are having 3 questions. First one, t-test for equality of mean. Next, define t distribution, explain t test for single mean, paired t test. So equality of means is nothing but difference of mean. I told you already. In t distribution only 3 questions. This equality of mean and paired t test. 4th and 7th comes for long answer. 5th you can expect for short answer. And last one, F test. F test for equality of population variance. This also you can expect for long answer. Overall for long answer you can expect for first question goodness of it, third one, fourth one, 6th and 7th. So these questions you can expect for long answer. Short answers part is population variance, chi-square test for population variance. Next independence of attributes, and this one t test for single mean. You can expect from these 3 short answers. So that is about third unit. Unit 4, we are having 8 questions. First one, define non-parametric test, explain its advantages and disadvantages. Next question, second one, differences between parametric and non-parametric test. Third one, types of measurement scales. So you are having the 4 types of measurement scale: nominal, ordinal, interval and ratio. So from these 3 questions, they may ask you these 3 questions for long answers or short answers. Most probably the first question will be asked for short answer only. Second and third, they may ask you for short or long. Fourth question, you are having the sign test. Procedure for sign test. Sign test procedure is for short answer. Next, define run, length of a run. These 2 questions they'll ask you for short answer, or else run test. Run test means, run test is also called as test for randomness. So that also they'll ask you for short answer. Next, 5, 6, 7, 8 comes under long answer. Explain median test procedure. Wilcoxon signed rank test for paid samples. Wilcoxon Mann-Whitney U-test. Wald-Wolfowitz run test. So from this 4 questions, 5, 6, 7, 8, you can expect one long answer for sure. Finally, from unit 4, you are going to get long answers from 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. From these questions, you are going to get long answers. And for short answers, 1, 3, 4. From this only you will get short answers. So this is about unit 4. And finally, don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you.